This is for Year 12 Specialist. It is the Dynamics Kinematics 2017 SAC, and it's the TSSM question number 5e in explanation. So if I go down to 5, if I go down to 5D, I've got this situation where the particle has been dropped from rest, and it's in terms of y, and it's falling from 0 down to a point 120 meters below, and it's asking me about velocity, and I've been given an expression dv dy, and I do some anti-differentiation and I work out that my final velocity is 45.728. So it started at a velocity of 0 and finished at a velocity of 45.72. And this is the stone that has been dropped from rest and fell 120 meters below. Then in 5e it says find the time for the particle to reach the point 0. So if I go back to the same diagram, the same forces, so here it is, and I have an expression for A in terms of V, but this time I want T. So if I set up my my differential equation, I use an expression for A, which is dv dx, and I rearrange that for T, I should find the time that the velocity goes from 0 to 45. Now what it's using is it's using this idea from our textbook of using a definite integral to solve a differential equation, and that I'm going to anti-differentiate from a to b of f of x dx plus d, which was my initial time. So if I then anti-differentiate this expression for t in terms of v, and I make my terminals 0, because that's the time it's going to take from the velocity to go from 0 to 45.72, that's where I get my answer from.